Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can cancel an order on Argos. So in order to cancel an order on Argos, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, go ahead and open up a browser and log into your Argos account. As you can see in my case, I'm already logged in, so all you have to do is just type in argos.co.uk and that's going to direct you to your official page and log into your account by entering your credential. Once you're logged into your account, just go ahead and tap on the account icon located in the top right hand side corner. That's going to direct you to the other interface where you'll be able to see your information. There's this option as recent orders. Go ahead and tap on it, and here you'll be able to find the information as order and order details. So go through it and enter in the order number and just tap on find my order. And here, if you want to cancel the order, you can see a cancel button located right at the bottom. And while doing this procedure, you might be charged with some fine, so you have to pay for it. And unless and until you don't do that, your order won't be canceled. So that's basically how you can cancel an order on Argos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.